Let's head on into the kitchen, shall we? Start by heating a tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add a finely chopped onion and let it cook until it softens, which should take about 5 minutes. Next, toss in 2 minced cloves of garlic, a couple of diced carrots, and 2 diced celery stalks. Stir them occasionally and cook for another 5 minutes or so, until the vegetables start to soften. Then, stir in a 14-ounce can of diced tomatoes, letting the juices mingle with the rest of the ingredients. Let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, pour in 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, along with a 15-ounce can each of drained and rinsed cannellini and red kidney beans. Infuse the dish with a teaspoon each of dried oregano and basil, and half a teaspoon each of dried thyme and rosemary. Add salt and pepper to taste. Allow the soup to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. This step lets the flavors meld together, creating a symphony of taste that is uniquely pasta e fagioli. While the soup is simmering, cook 1 cup small pasta, such as ditalini or elbow macaroni, in a separate pot until it's al dente. Drain and set it aside. Once the soup has simmered and the vegetables are tender, it's time to add the cooked pasta to the pot. Stir well to combine. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. If the soup is too thick, don't hesitate to add more broth or water to reach the desired consistency. Ladle the pasta e fagioli into bowls. Garnish with some chopped fresh parsley and serve it hot. For those who want an extra touch of flavor, sprinkle some grated Parmesan cheese on top. And there you have it, a comforting and flavorful bowl of Italian bean and pasta soup, made right in your own kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check out others like it on Magnolia Moon.